Hi guys, this is Dr. Justin Hazan of Peripheral Vision here with a special episode. What we're going to cover today is how to create a custom landing tab like the one you see in view for your Facebook business page. And we're going to be utilizing a Facebook application called Static FBML. So basically what you have right here, you have a custom logo with your business name directing fans to click the like button. Directing non-fans to click the like button, I should say. So this is a spot when someone pulls up your business page and they're not afraid, this is exactly what they would see. So here they're directed to click the like button, which makes them a fan instantly. And by making them a fan, you're able to gain access to their news feed. It's in this news feed is that you're going to have your awareness campaign generated. So basically, they're going to see you every time you post something. You're going to come up in their newsfeed. So a newsfeed like this, we'll log in and we will go to my newsfeed. So this is where all my friends and businesses that I'm fans of show up. And this is how they're going to see things. Like right here, I see Peripheral Vision. So this gives me a chance to stay in front of my fans by posting in the newsfeed once they become fans. The first step, though, is to get those people who end up your page to click the like button, and this is exactly what we're going to show you how to do today. So the first step is to get this nice custom graphic right here, and I'm a custom graphic from another website, another landing tab actually, so feel free to reuse this one. To reuse it, all you have to do is right click, save image as, and give it a name such as custom landing logo. Save it at a spot that you can find it. And now we need to take this and edit it and customize it so it reflects your business name here. To do that, we use an online editor very similar to Photoshop called Pixar. We'll open this image up. And now we'll get a chance to put a box around the text you want to remove. In this case, we want to remove Peripheral Vision. I hit the delete key. And now I have to use the eyedropper down here to sample the background so I get the color to match. Then I use the paint bucket and take that white background and now recolor it to the background of the graphic. So now we have the ability to fill this space with whatever text we want. Again, I'm going to use the eyedropper. Pick the color of one of the letters, and you can see down here it has changed it to the color of the letter. Use the type tool. Put whatever you want here, probably your business name. Adjust the size so it looks just right. Okay, and then you drop this into place. Okay, after you get the way you want it to look, hit File, hit Save, save it 100% full quality, save it again. It's okay to replace it. You're replacing it with the customized version. And then boom, you have your custom landing logo. So now we need to get this onto our Facebook page. And you do that with the help of a Facebook application called Static FBML. So let's sign in to Facebook. Let's use Facebook search to search for this application, Static FBML, which stands for Facebook Markup Language, or is the coding language that Facebook uses to create its content. We go to the applications page, and now we want to add to my page. So right the logo, add to my page, and what you're going to see is a drop down of all the pages that you are an administrator for that have not yet added this application. I have added this application, so you're not going to see it in the drop down, but when you click on this, select your page from the drop down. For me, I already have it, and it's evident because when I go back to my page and click Edit Page, you can see that I have several applications that say FBML here at the end. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to an FBML one that has not worked with yet, and we're going to click Edit, and we'll take this. Okay, so basically this is what you're going to see. we want to give this box a title. In this case, we're going to call it Welcome To, because I already have a Welcome tab on the peripheral vision. And now we want to put that picture of the custom landing logo that we just designed right here. Except you can't put pictures here. We have to put the code or the guts behind the picture in HTML form right here. Now, if you don't know how to code HTML, and I definitely don't know how to use HTML, you have to find a way to cheat. The way that I cheat is by using a program called Postling, which just so happens to be my social media dashboard, which is basically consolidating all my social media into one location, so it's easy to use. And I'm going to create a blog post. Everybody can create a blog post. I don't think you guys are going to have a problem with this part. So let's put that custom landing logo we just designed right here. Okay, so it's right there. But now we need to get its HTML code. So instead of this picture, what we're going to find when we hit the source button is the code for that image. Now this also gives us access to changing the width and the height of that image, which we may need to do later. But for now, let's select it all, right click, copy, and go back to our FBML box. Right click, paste that code right into the FBML box to save changes. What's going to happen now is we created a tab called Welcome To that should contain the logo that we just designed. We can check that back to the peripheral vision page, going all the way over to these double arrows, selecting those double arrows, and then look, we see the Welcome To right here. Left click and hold it, drag it all the way over to where we want it. We will click right on it and check to make sure that it looks the way we want it to look. In this case, we definitely have embedded the landing logo, but it's not the right size, and you can go back and edit that later. So now we have a tab that has the custom landing logo, but unfortunately at this point our fans are still landing on our wall. I mean, our non-fans are still landing on our wall. We want our non-fans to end up on that welcome page, which directs them to become a fan by clicking the like button. To accomplish that, we go to Edit Page, we go to our wall settings, and here where it says Default Landing Tab for everyone else, the default is usually to the wall. In this case, we're going to change it to our newly created FBML Welcome To, and now anytime somebody's not a fan becomes directed towards this tab that we just created, which helps them become a fan. Okay, so if we go back, now you have a custom landing tab utilizing static FBML and a custom logo that is going to help build your fan base by leaps and bounds. Seriously, when people come to your Facebook business page and they're not directed with an active custom logo telling them to become a fan by clicking the like button, a lot of times they will not do so, just simply because they're forgetful or they're not aware that it's important to do that. So go out there, create your custom landing logo, create your static FBML custom landing tab, and make sure that you're directing your non-fans to land on that welcome tab. Very easy to do, matter of minutes. If you get hung up, just let me know and I can help you out. The contact info is over here. My info is drdazan@peripheralvision.info. info@peripheralvision.info, all works. And also you can find us on our YouTube channel, which you're probably watching now, which is PeripheralVision00. Or you can also hit us up on Twitter, which is @perifviz. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please let me know.